Today, organizations are in a knowledge society, and organizations' efficiency is not dependent only on physical resources. Today, managers are expected to give a better yield, or what I call as to give more by using less resources. So, here there is a need for an entrepreneurial approach, even in doing your job. So, corporate entrepreneurship is all about having entrepreneurial skills or entrepreneurial approach to the job profile one has, because it helps in making an individual find out better and more effective ways and means of achieving the objective whatsoever be the job. And today organizations are looking at what value the individuals can provide for the future rather than what they are worth today. So when organizations are becoming more competitive, they would look for employees not only with their specialization knowledge, not only with their subject expert, be it technical or accounting or finance or anything. They would also look at the approach. The entrepreneurial approach would come in a long way, would be of great help when the students develop it. That is why corporate entrepreneurship is one of the most I would say recent current trends or contemporary approach to managerial jobs. The core of entrepreneurship is basically creativity and innovation. No enterprise or no entrepreneur or no organizations can succeed without these two fundamental elements, the innovation and creativity. The more innovative the world becomes, the more creative opportunities the younger youth gets. And the more creative they become, the more innovative it becomes. So it's what I call as a multiplier effect. Now this has given importance to entrepreneurship education across the world. But one thing which concerns all of us who are in business education is business education for entrepreneurial education? And the issue is yes, because it is the entrepreneurs who create business. And the aim of business education is also to educate entrepreneurs so that future business is created. So I feel that entrepreneurship education should not remain at just giving theoretical knowledge, but the whole process of entrepreneurship programs, which we at HPGSP insist on or focus on, I would say, is the courses are designed in such a way that we are in the process of creating entrepreneurs rather than giving them a theoretical knowledge alone. The unique features of HPGSP is the way we look at students who enter our portal. Though we have students who come with experience, they are still not grounded with the holistic knowledge or multidisciplinary approach. So the aim at HPGSP is to create well-grounded professionals, human beings and carers for the society. Especially in the Namibian context, we are interested in ensuring that our students do not only become good brand ambassadors for ourselves, but also they are able to go out and create in the market what we call as niche for themselves in terms of whether the service they are doing or the enterprise they are creating, or even if they are not going to do any of this, still the life they are going to lead is going to be of a better quality, because the whole program is designed, especially the entrepreneurship courses will enable them to think creatively. It will help them to have a belief that their ideas, new ideas, innovative ideas will make a difference to the life of all at large. So we are talking about creating individuals who will go on the way, on the path of sustainability and not only be successful for themselves, which is a very limited success, but be successful as citizens, as givers, as what the society needs, especially in emerging markets where there are socio-geopolitical issues like health, poverty, education. We hope our students will have entrepreneurial spirits to deal with all the social issues which are equally important to create a very good what we call as global market, global universe.